come with me. I'm gonna wax my underarms today. I could not tell you how long it's been. I think maybe this is a 4-week hair growth. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Bush Balm refreshing light to prep my skin. Get nice and clean. Today I will be using the Sexy Smooth Wax. She is pretty and she is clean. Then I'm gonna go in with my Bush Balm ingrown oil. Pretty and pink she is. This is I think it's called a Tickled Pink Sexy Smooth, and it really is called that. So let's apply her. The application, don't come at me for the application. I promise that I am great at the application part when it comes to other people, but when it comes to me, it's out the window. Gosh, look at that. Look at all the hair. Can y'all see that? Beautiful. She is beautiful, gosh. Okay, wow, I got most of my hair. Temperature is perfect when applying it. It dries fast, it applies smooth. I don't think it hurts when removing. Oh my goodness, the application is there, guys, but hey, we're getting the job done. Don't come at me for the way that I apply it on myself. She's basically all dry. Little tug. There we go. I'm not left-handed, so let's see how this goes. Ooh, it's better than my right. Guys, I was at the store the other day and I was shopping and I forgot that I haven't waxed my armpits in a long time, and so I was getting some paper towels on my hair, lifting my arms up high, and I'm just wondering like, what? You know what? Have I even waxed myself? And then I look, and the girl did not wax. Okay, here we go with the other one. Good. Whew, that one got a little spicy. But that's just because I'm anticipating it and I'm waxing myself, but oh my goodness, y'all, do y'all see this? Look at this strip. Wow. Gosh. And my hair is super thick, coarse hair. For those of you who wax yourself, y'all know the struggle. If you're watching this and if your armpits are hairy, come get them waxed with me. I'm located in Delaware, Texas, and I do full body waxing, Brazilians, facials, so come over here, girl. Get your underarms waxed. I'm just a girl out here doing what she loves. That is all, guys. Okay. I'm gonna go a little slower because I want to get those hairs. Look at those strips. We're all done. Now I'm gonna come in with my ingrown hair oil just to finish off my wax. It smells so good. So good.